up everyone? So welcome back to another episode. So today I'm actually going to be running some errands and grabbing a few things that I need. Anyways, so I purchased those footwell LED lights and today my mission is to actually install them. Unfortunately, I don't have USB in this car, but we do have the cigarette charger. So I'm gonna use that. I'm just gonna buy an adapter and then once it's all done I will be able to install the lights. So I tested them out at home and they work, so all I need to do is just make sure that I get this adapter and I connect them, and then I will just figure out what to do with them. But the cool thing is that those are actually stick-ons, so it should be a matter of 3 to 5 minutes to install them into the car. So I'm quite excited about that. Yeah, so anyways, that's the plan for today, and tomorrow I'm gonna actually go and also buy a new head unit. So as you can tell, there's still no head unit here. So I just finished at a super cheap auto and I also decided to grab 2 blind spot mirrors. So now the next step is going to JB Hi-Fi so I can grab bite mount for my GoPro. So this way I can get some cool footage from the inside of the car while I'll be installing my new LED lights. Well, so that's a bummer. Unfortunately, they didn't have any in stock. So that means that I'll have to make another trip to different store to grab them. But first, I will go and get my stickers because that's more important for me at this stage because I have a deadline for it. So I just got my stickers and I'm so happy with them. Look how pretty they are. So that's Drift Babe, and I also, because I know that some of the guys would not go with a babe, so I got different variation as well, saying Simply Sideways. So yeah, this is how they look like. I'm actually quite happy. They look very nice.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, so it's a few hours later and I'm finally done with all the errands that I had to run this morning. It's actually quite late afternoon now, but I'm really happy. So the next shopping center I went to grab the bike mount, I was able to get it, and I also got the tripod for it as well. So now at least I have this one, the tripod grip, which is really awesome because I definitely need it. And yeah, just the bike mount. I don't know why they always sell it with the floaty. I don't need the floaty, but yeah. It's alright, it's fine.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going, I don't want no fake.
That's pretty much all job that I wanted to get done today. That's done. So I'm super happy. The car is coming nicely together. And don't get me wrong, it is a drift car, but like I said guys, I'm not here to follow everyone else. I kind of want to do my own thing. So having a drift car doesn't mean that it can't be pretty on the inside and it can be having full interior and everything. So my main goal for this car is to make it as pretty for myself as I can, especially now since I'm waiting for GK Tech parts to arrive. So before I can get the car ready for the track, I have to do something with it. So I have all that time now until the parts arrive. So I just figured that I would just make at least interior nice and pretty, and when I'm ready for the drifting, then I will just go to the track and have some good skids.
Knows I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!